It looks like a mountain. And it looks like mountains and the red lines are trains. It looks like a flat mountain. Like rice. It's like light up rice and just rice. I don't know how, but they stacked the rice and they made it balanced. I think they put glue on the bottom, then they put some rice on it, and then they put glue on the rice again, and then they put rice on it, and then put glue on the rice again, and they put rice on it, and then it made that pyramid shape. Triangle, it's like a triangle. And it's just holding it together. I don't know how it's doing it. I could say that because it's very magic. 12,000 billion gajillion bajillion.
No, I don't think so.
It makes me want to eat some watermelon. Because there's like the line looks like watermelon. So you can't eat the rice because there's so many. They'll get a tummy ache.